This grandpa was outside, freezing in the snow, begging someone to open the door. He could already see the massive tornado coming straight toward him. The wind was howling, the snow was blinding, and he kept shouting, "Please, it's so cold." But his family didn't respond. They didn't open the door, not even once. And just when he thought it was over, something happened that no one expected. I'll show you. Before, how many years do you want your grandpa to live? 10 days, ignore. 100 years, leave alone. 600 years, comment a heart emoji. 1,200 years, subscribe and share. The wind suddenly dragged him away into the storm.